Welcome everybody to our channel. Today we should learn the most important topic of income tax, that is tax planning. So let's start our today's topic, tax planning. Tax planning means the arrangement of financial activities in such a way so that a taxpayer can avail maximum tax benefits is called our tax planning. So tax planning enables a taxpayer to minimize its tax liability or to get the full advantages of or tax benefits of our Income Tax Act. It enables a taxpayer to enjoy the benefits of allowances, deductions, rebates, concessions, exemptions allowed or available under the provision of Income Tax Act 1961. It is very much essential because a taxpayer always thinks how to reduce its tax liability, because the payment of a tax hurts more to a taxpayer than any other payments. So the taxpayer always thinks to reduce its tax liabilities. So it is one of the way, or it is one of the legal way through which a taxpayer can minimize or can reduce its tax liability by availing maximum tax benefits or by enjoying maximum tax benefits available or provided under the provision of Income Tax Act 1961. So it is one of the legal procedures, or also which is a permanent in nature. So various features of our tax planning are: it is permanent in nature, it is a legal procedure, then next feature is it is futuristic in nature, then next feature is there is no question of fines, penalties and prosecutions. Then our next feature is there is no concealment of facts. Then another feature, it is optional for the taxpayer. Then next feature is it takes full advantage of tax benefits. Then our next feature is it adopts fair methods to reduce tax liabilities. So these are the features of our tax planning. Let's repeat again. Generally, tax planning is permanent in nature. That means a taxpayer can enjoy tax benefits or can avail the maximum tax benefits for a long period. And next feature is it is a legal procedure. That means everything is done by following the rules and regulations of the tax laws, or everything is done within the provision of our tax laws. Then next feature is our tax planning is a futuristic in nature. That means it is always made for the future period, and there is no question of fines, penalties or prosecutions. That means the taxpayer can minimize its tax liabilities, but the tax authority cannot impose any fines or any penalties or any prosecutions or legal actions cannot be taken by the tax authorities, as everything is done within the provision of our tax laws or within the provision of Income Tax Act 1961. And the next feature is there is no concealment of facts. That means the taxpayer also discloses all its financial activities. That means no facts or no activities should be hidden by the taxpayer. It is optional for the taxpayer. That means if the taxpayer wants to get the tax benefits, or he may arrange or he may make the tax planning, or he may not follow the tax planning, it is totally optional for the taxpayer. It takes full advantages of tax benefits. That means it can arrange all the activities in such a way so that various allowances, various deductions, rebates, concessions and exemptions available or allowed under the Income Tax Act can be availed by the taxpayer. It adopts fair methods to reduce the tax liabilities. It always, the taxpayer also follow the fair methods to reduce its tax liabilities. So various strategies followed by a taxpayer to reduce its tax liabilities are: make optimum use of tax exemptions. Then next strategy is spreading of income, spreading of taxable income among family members. Then next strategy is take full advantage of various deductions, and the next strategy is take full advantages of concessions and rebates. So these are the strategies generally followed by a taxpayer to minimize its tax liabilities and enjoy maximum tax benefits. For example, if a assessee or if a person likes to invest its money or it likes to carry on a business activities in rural areas or in special economic zone, so it can enjoy maximum tax benefits on its income, or it also enables the taxpayer to reduce its tax liability to a great extent if the whatever money earned in rural areas or in the special economic zone. So these are all about our tax planning. Watch this video repeatedly to enhance or to get a clear idea on tax planning, and share it with all your friends to give them opportunities of enhancing their knowledge on tax planning. Thank you.